Hey, what is up guys? My name is Daniel and today I am here with a $1,000 gaming PC build. I do like doing these a lot because it's kind of a mid-range build. You can get some great performance for the money in this range, for 1080p gaming. Battlefield 4 1080p maxed out, easy 60 FPS in this build. You could play 1440p on most games at max settings and do fine. So yeah, getting into this, for the CPU only, the Intel Core i5 4690 3.5 gigahertz quad core processor. It's $215 right now. Obviously it's an i5, so it's not hyper threaded, so it is just a regular quad core. Also, it's not the 4690K, so it can't be overclocked. So yeah, I didn't go with the CPU cooler with this either. I just went with the stock cooler because of that fact. But yeah, it'll still perform well enough for this build. For the motherboard, I'm with the Gigabyte GA B85M D3H Micro ATX LGA 1150 motherboard. It's $75 right now. Good motherboard overall. Doesn't cut into our price too much for things like graphics cards. Yeah, for the memory, only the G-Skill Jaws X Series, 8 gigabytes, which is 2 sticks of 4 gigabytes. DDR3, 1600 megahertz memory. It's $80 right now. Good kit of RAM right here. There are some cheaper ones right now. It's not going to be, G-Skill quality or anything like that, but it should last you just fine. If you want to go with a different brand, I think you could find some for like, I don't know, $70, $75 for a 1600 megahertz 8 gigabyte kit. I'm sorry, I can't really talk today. Yeah, for the storage, I'm with the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1 terabyte 7200 RPM internal hard drive. Right now, this has a $5 mail-in rebate, making it $55. Good hard drive overall for that price. There's always the Seagate Barracuda and Caviar Black, but I wouldn't really go with the Caviar Black if you're just going to get the 1 terabyte. If you do have more money to spend, you could go with the, the Caviar Black 2 terabyte or 3 terabyte or 4 terabyte. Those are all good options if you want to go that route. So yeah, for the video card, only the EVGA GeForce GTX 980 4 gigabyte video card. It's $610. So, a pretty expensive GPU, but it is a beastly one. Like I was saying earlier, you're going to be able to play at 1440p maxed out on a lot of games and run just fine. For the case, I own the Corsair 200R ATX mid-tower case. Right now, this is a 10% off promo code and a $10 mail-in rebate, making it $35. That's a crazy price for this case. This case is really good quality for $35. Not much more I could say. For the power supply, on the Corsair Builder Series CX430 430 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. Right now, after the $20 mail-in rebate, is $30. A little bit more expensive than it has been in the past. In the past, it was about $20. In fact, for I think a day, it went down to like 15. So that's crazy. But yeah, not much more I could say. Like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you are new here. I post content every 3 days. Thanks for watching. And peace.